Have you ever thought about hand-picking your own perfectly ripe tomatoes, sweet and fresh, right from your own home garden or balcony? Growing tomatoes is actually much easier than you might think. Today, let's follow the magical journey from a tiny seed to a bountiful harvest. The first step is to prepare a seed tray with clean, loose, and nutrient-rich soil. Gently make a tiny hole in the soil surface, just about half a centimeter deep. Then, carefully drop 1 or 2 high-quality seeds into the hole and cover them lightly with soil. Don't forget to mist them gently with water every day and place the tray in soft light. After just 5 to 7 days, the miracle of life begins to emerge from beneath the earth. These tiny green sprouts, carrying their first 2 seed leaves, push through the earth to catch the sun. At this stage, the plants need plenty of sunlight to grow strong, sturdy stems. About 2 weeks later, the first true leaves with their signature serrated edges will appear. Do you see the fine fuzz on the stem? That actually helps the plant protect itself. Once the plant has 4 to 5 true leaves, it's time to move it to a bigger home. Gently remove the seedling and place it into a larger pot filled with nutrient-rich organic soil. Plant it a little deep and cover the base with soil to encourage a strong, healthy root system. Right now is the perfect time to add a bamboo stake or a small trellis next to the stem. Loosely tie the stem to the stake. This will be its solid support when it bears heavy fruit later. Tomatoes love water, but hate wet leaves. Remember to water directly at the base of the plant. A crucial secret: pinch off the small side shoots or suckers so the plant focuses its energy on fruit. After about 40 days of loving care, the very first clusters of flower buds will delicately appear, and then those beautiful bright lemon yellow tomato blossoms will bloom all at once. If you're growing them on a windless balcony, gently tap the flowers in the morning to help with pollination, or even better, let your natural friends like bees and butterflies visit your garden to do the job. The most awaited moment: tiny green tomatoes start to emerge from the sating blossoms. During this phase, the plant needs extra potassium or banana tea to make the fruit sweet and juicy. Day by day, the tomatoes swell in size, slowly putting on a vibrant orange coat, and finally, a stunning deep red. This is the sign they are perfectly ripe and at their most delicious. About 70 to 80 days after sowing the seeds, you can grab your snips and harvest your reward. Nothing beats the sweet taste of fruit you grew yourself. Start your own tomato garden today.